Twisting all my fingers for my dog. That's just how I'm living. Money and pretty women. Highness and fit. That's all I'm getting. That's just how I'm living.
So from the beauty supply store, you want to get the expression twisted up springy afro twist. If you want the same length that I have, be sure to get the length 16. I purchased 2, but you really only needed 1 pack. And then I have the color 1B. Got my hair shampooed and conditioned, and we're about to get started. Hey y'all, it's All of Destiny. So today is July the 20th. I'm getting my hair done. We got Decide in the house. I didn't have the camera yesterday, but we're finishing my hair today. Yeah, we're working while we get our hair done. You think I should post this today or Sunday? Saturday not a good blow day.
I don't give you advice.
I'm supposed to practice making my own decisions at 33 anyway, so that's okay.
Don't do that.
No, I wasn't saying it in a shady way.
You aren't getting it about me, but you're not good for taking people advice.
Who not
You ask the people advice and then get the I was gonna and that's what you asked me for. You're not a good listener, but I thought you was gonna change, with age, but you don't.
I'm gonna do my best to start listening.
No, you're not. Don't ever lie to people or yourself.
I don't lie to
You will never hear me say I'm gonna change, because I'm not.
For real.
No, I ain't finna do that. You don't change when God wants you to change, but I ain't sent no angel telling me to change. So, stay simple.
Hey y'all, it's All of Destiny, and in today's video, I'll be sharing with you all how my sister Boon did my mini twists hairstyle. So the product that she's using is called ᶫᵒᵛᵉᵧ. It's like an edge, braid, and lock maximum hold type of gel, if you will. My hair was shampooed, conditioned, and blow dried prior to filming this video, so I didn't get to get my hair done for my birthday. If y'all saw the previous video, the vlog, and then y'all saw that everything that could go wrong was going wrong. My birthday was coming up. It was just a hot mess. So we finally had downtime for me to just relax and get my hair done, which is why you all see that some of the twists are already done. But we had started on this hairstyle the previous night, and I didn't really have my camera with me. So luckily when I went home and came back the next morning, I was like, okay, I don't want to just sit back and relax and get my hair done, which I am, but I was like, I want to record it too, okay?
Papa, where that clip at?
Oh, I left it at home. So this is my sister Boon, who is doing my hair. Boon, aka Decide. She does have her own YouTube channel, so I'll link that down below, as well as her mini twist tutorial that she's done on herself. She wears mini twists on and off, and I always love her hair like that. So I was like, Boon, when can you do my hair? When can you do my hair? But things just kept coming up, but we got time today. So she starts off by applying some of the edge product, and then she sections my hair out into 3 sections. After she's plaited the hair down a little bit, that's when she begins to secure in the springy twist hair.
You gonna marry scientists? Why not? I want to start getting my legs, my armpits wet. What you think?
That'd be nice. I waxed my armpits the other day. It lasts long.
How it feel? I feel like I gotta tickle myself.
Nah, you just got whoosh. So she's using the comb to kind of part out the sections. I love whenever my sister does my hair because she's just so precise and thorough, and she takes her time to make sure that whatever she does is going to look the absolute best. Unless you want to go longer or you want to do more sections than I did. 16 inches was the perfect length for me. It's giving realistic. It's giving, this might be all of her hair, y'all. I'm always thinking too far in the future and just not focusing on the present moment enough sometimes. To where I was like, ooh, when it's time to take this down, I don't want to have a lot of twists. I just kind of showed her the length that I wanted, and then I also kind of just mentioned that I wanted maybe a few less twists than what she has in her hair. And then after that, the side of me that's just like relax, be taken care of, sit back, relax, and just let my sister do her thing. That's exactly what I did, and the rest was to her discretion. And I love the way that my hair turned out. A few little clips of music that I'm going to play for you all, but I do want to explain at least one more time while this clip is in real time. So she takes that edge product and she kind of brushes that through along that root portion just to kind of make it nice and sleek. She splits the hair into 3 even sections, and then she begins to kind of plait the hair. I feel like that helps the twist to be more secure. I didn't ask her, but just me guessing for the voiceover, it probably makes everything more secure. So when she grabs the hair that we're using, she also braids that maybe a few times before she separates the 3 sections into 2 sections. And then when you all see me speeding the clips up, it's just because she's just continuing to twist all the way down. The expression twisted up springy afro twist, it was already pre-separated and pre-fluffed. My sister did not cut the length of the hair. kind of fold it in half. I love how lightweight this hair is. It kind of feels as if you kind of just twisted up your own hair. Like my hair doesn't feel heavy. I can't tell that hair was added in. Mine is just, you know, having the extra length.
Then you know I had the off-white on that night too. I had threw my leg up over the banners. I think I've been hearing Dominique feelings when I've been hanging out. Because she always be like saying, you don't never go.
Okay, so once she sectioned off my hair into 3 sections, she basically begins plaiting. She plaits down a little bit and then she grabs the hair to begin adding that in as well. So she leaves 1 at the top and then 2, it looks like the right leg, she kind of combines the hair. And once it's plaited a little bit, that's when she pulls the next piece down and she's going to plait that in to lock it in place. I feel like it's more secure probably doing it this way than just grabbing the hair and twisting it. Once the hair is secured in well enough, she goes from 3 sections to 2 sections and you're basically just twisting all the way down, but not like just a little casual twist. You do want to make sure, especially if your hair is natural like mine but blown out, that you're twisting it with a little bit of oomph for the lack of a better word, to make sure that it's nice and smooth and really secure all the way down.
When the Pearl Harbor happened, Papa, what was in the earth? Chemicals. So they wanted to do it, but we ain't got access to that much plutonium. When we got helium, we got helium.
The telling that you really just don't work. I don't understand.
Put. Let me tell you something. It don't work because internet bounce off walls and stuff. It's hard to make its way up the stairs. I said go downstairs and do it right quick.
I'm alright.
You ain't alright. Because it's bothering. I can tell by how tight you hold your lips. Why are you trying to fake like you ain't chewing?
I want to fake it like I want chewing.
So now you insecure about your chews. It's a big dent in your head right here. Do you know that? It goes in. You can see it. That's why I don't be wanting Lincoln to wear them. Cause Google over the head, like gamer's head now. They call it gamer's head. Their head go in where the headphones fit. But I don't know, but you got a big dent right here. Like yours never closed up or something. Or you probably chopped on your head because of your parents. You was like, I don't be mean to like come out main like that. I just be, it be fun to me. I'm sorry.
Oh, you alright.
Go get legal.
What'd he say?
Bro, you speak Spanish? Hola. What?
I gotta take Lincoln advice and start letting my videos just run, not saying nothing.
Boys watch different videos from girls. To get boys, they really be nosy the whole time.
No, sorry.
Put it in the song, alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know you what you want. Oh, what it does. Put it in the song, alright. Oh, what it does. Put it in the song, alright.
Oh, it is!
Okay, we're in the front now. Yeah, get into it. So, quick little part down the middle. That way we can flip them to the left, flip them to the right. Do whatever you like.
You know Harper's Bazaar is a magazine.
For real?
Mm-hmm.
What's that you putting on
Harper's
there?
Bazaar. Oh, this is Bella Teak.
Ah, okay.
I ain't pay for it. I don't be showing the girls. I just say you can use the blah 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 of your choice.
You right. You right. Thank you.
This not it.
Ah, you gonna really be late now.
Who?
She went to the wrong
No
place.
signage anywhere. It's just oh, it is Harper's. So Harper's closed.
You're my. You're my baby.
You like positive on it?
You're my baby.
Riding anywhere. Ain't got a band down, this ain't a propeller. Man, we spend a dime, copping Gucci sweaters. There's dripping niggas drowning, I cannot help it. Used to boom, now the guys, we are not the devil. Got Colombia out of times out of Mexico. Spent the best 100 times, still smell dope.
Ooh, yeah. You.
It's ignoring that high note. I don't want to talk about it. Oh, that's the joint. You with me. You heard me.
I
Man, I'm finna sell my car. I'm
gonna go to LA and go see
You know,
Chris.
I'm finna go get Tylenol.
I gotta go see Chris.
I want to hear Wall to Wall and Pop It. That's why he got stuck. That's how he
real?
learned this last girl. He got stuck in the air the whole song. No, that nigga leg. It's high. Look how stuck. Mama, I got a cramp. Mama, fell. What that mean?
I dreamed my gazebo fell apart
Is it raining or something?
and it snatched it up.
It probably just rained before you went to sleep.
I don't know what kind of dream it was. It wasn't raining. It was just random. My gazebo fell apart.
My bro gonna get a payroll. I just want the pretty women in the peso. I can only hit the engine in this Lambo. On the spaceship, now I'm a space cadet. Big white mansion in my habitat. Aim a lot of sticks like a laser tag. Fuck a rich bitch having rich sex. Smoke a lot of trees, need a weed plant. But did tickle lean where the lean at. Sleeping on these G's is a beanbag. Got me going jeans cause I'm cool right. On the spaceship, now I'm a space cadet.
Moose. I should whip out that moose.
I do want you to come back tomorrow because there's 3 up in the back I want to redo. I like the way you twist. Your hair pattern twists a different way from mine.
Okay.
She just really want me cause I'm ballin'. That's the reason that she callin'. Yeah. I
unless she real fine. You feel me? I ain't messing with her unless she real fine. I used to sell grams right by the stop sign. I come from South Memphis, nigga, I ain't had nothing. Jumped off the porch, I was in the
Pretty much it for how I got my mini twist done by my sister Boon. I've been swimming in my hair. You can pin it up in a bun, do whatever you want. It's lasting, okay? I'll talk to y'all in my next video, and I thank you all so much for watching.
Yeah, no nigga, and no nigga ain't got me. About to... These niggas levels, is that your man? If he right here with me, turned up with my... Hey, turned up with my... Shawty got that... Can you see me do my dance? And they all get my... Turned up with my... Got that blicky.
Her hair go down her back. Girl, you need a plaque. Cause you the baddest I done seen in a while, and that's a fact. But you already know that.